Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing an update on Bitcoin Cash. I've had a lot of, requests pretty much wanting an update every month or so, or, even shorter, but, there's other videos to make, but I will make an update on Bitcoin Cash. So pretty much what happened, right? We pretty much had this expansion. We went down a little bit, pretty much retested off this area, and then we had an expansion up once again, right? And every time we have some kind of expansion, it's normal to pretty much retrace, start building back up, right? Slowly start building back up, expand again, and then probably just repeat the cycle over and over until the altcoin season and the Bitcoin season is over. So last time, pretty much when I talked about this, I did say that we are going to be looking at this weekly candle right here, pretty much this candle right there, right? When I look at the weekly, pretty much this white little one right here, right? So pretty much we're looking at that key area, right? And we can even see if we go based off support and resistance, is pretty much creating a reverse head and shoulders. So we have double confirmation. We're pretty much going into the weekly order block. And then on the daily, when you look, it's pretty much a reverse head and shoulders. So for me, Bitcoin Cash should not go below $400 pretty much until potentially the next cycle. So overall, if you're looking to buy Bitcoin Cash, I would say now is a good time. If you really want to be stingy with it, I mean, like right now for me, the relevant data, right, is this area. So I don't think we would go below 460 again, because right now we are looking to pretty much be expanding up. And you could tell over here that if we draw it up, we go up, we retest, we go up, boom, we pretty much are retesting very nice. We're doing this very fundamentally well. So we don't need a deep retracement, right? Pretty much like this, boom, 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 right? If we look over here, we can see that pretty much, again, a reverse head and shoulders, go right over here, the head, the shoulders, right? A reverse one. And we can tell pretty much that we are respecting this area, and we're pretty much going like this again. And overall, it is looking very good for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin itself is going up, so this is even better. And I believe Bitcoin is pretty much starting its run right now. So I don't think pretty much we'll be going below this price, and especially back down below the 400s, unless something seriously would go wrong and Bitcoin would say, joke's on you, things are different this time. We're going for like another, 3-month bear period before we actually expand. Something would have to really change than it has pretty much been like previously in the last couple of years, right? But overall, Bitcoin Cash is looking good. The next few targets I would really expect Bitcoin Cash, to go for is overall to break these highs, which is the 725 bucks. And once we do that, the next pretty much relevant area, I mean, you could say this is pretty much a support here. So pretty much if we go and draw it out, pretty much once we start expanding, this area right here is going to be a big support and resistance. And after that, we are looking to be shooting up pretty fast, pretty fast. So if we go here, the only thing you have to look for, if Bitcoin Cash does not do good this cycle, is it cashing out around the $1,200 to $1,300 area, pretty much going into this institutional candle, right? Doing some type of this and then going back down, right? That is one of the possible scenarios if Bitcoin Cash does not perform. If it does good, like I said, we should be looking for expansions, and Bitcoin Cash should pretty much go above this blue box, and it should have a pretty nice expansion, right? Potentially to 2,600, 3,700, or even 5K, how we talked about before. I don't remember the market cap because I look at a lot of coins. So we're going to look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, there we go. So it is a 9.3, almost $10 billion market cap. So it would, if it wanted to hit around 500 bucks, it pretty much would have to have $100 billion, which is a lot. And like I said, it could peak there. it could very well peak there. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know if it will stay there though. And I don't know 100% if it will reach that, but it could peak there depending how well Bitcoin itself gets integrated, how well Bitcoin Cash adopts, and pretty much how much how much money is in the market, right? It is expected to have around double on the more conservative side, that there's gonna be double the money in this cycle than there was last time. So if that's gonna be the case, I don't think Bitcoin Cash will hit 5 grand, but I will say it could definitely go to $3,000 or $4,000. However, if there's triple or quadruple the money of last time, then I can definitely see Bitcoin Cash peaking around $5,000 or even more. But right now, this is more of a short-term update. So if you're looking to buy Bitcoin Cash and you're going to be holding it for a couple months and you don't care if it's going to go down just a few bucks, overall, this is the time to get in. If you really, really, really care, then maybe we might go down to around 437, 450, somewhere around that range. But overall, if you just want to have a peace of mind and you believe in this coin, I would buy now.